Are you looking for maintenance-free living right in the heart of Mississauga?
Paired with a turnkey condo with neutral decor and designer finishes, all that and more on today's episode.
So Jules, today we find ourselves right in the heart of Mississauga. We're at Block 9 Condominiums located at 4055 Parkside Village Drive. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what makes this location so special?
Absolutely, Adam. We really can't beat the convenience of living here. It's a commuter-friendly location. There's several college and university campuses close by, not to mention Mississauga Square One Mall for all your shopping and dining needs.
That's right, Jules. I knew I'd have you at shopping, and you know you always have me with dining. But let's talk a little bit about this building as well. It was built in just 2020, so it's only 4 years old. We have a fantastic amenities package here with an outstanding gym, a theater room, an oversized party room, and a massive barbecue terrace that overlooks the city. It's absolutely beautiful, but the unit we're about to show you as well is truly fantastic. We have 718 square feet here, 1 bedroom plus den with parking and a locker. Doesn't get much better than this. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing. Welcome inside Unit 921. Now from the moment you set foot through the front door here, you're gonna understand what sets this unit apart, and it's the layout. At 718 square feet, this 1 bedroom plus den has everything that you're looking for, but it also has a purely functional layout that wastes 0 square footage, and that's so important when it comes to condo living. Now, what else sets this one apart? We have 9-foot ceilings which completely open up the space, as well as floor to ceiling windows, and we're west facing, which means you're gonna get bathed in natural light. And again, let's talk a little bit more about that layout. You have a perfect transition from the separate kitchen space into living and dining and then out onto your balcony. When it comes to condo layouts, it truly doesn't get much better than this.
The overall fit and feel of this entire condo building is neutral and contemporary, and that flows seamlessly into this condo unit, where we have modern cabinetry, stone countertops, and vinyl plank flooring throughout.
So Jules, there's so much to love about the condo we just showed. It's a fantastically functional layout, and pair that with some updated finishes. It's truly move-in ready and turnkey. But I think the cherry on top here is this oversized balcony that you see right here. Not only is it oversized, big enough to fit some patio furniture or an outdoor dining table, but it's also west facing, so you're gonna catch some spectacular sunsets here over this unobstructed view.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we're video marketing experts. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.